Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So today in this video I am going to discuss about how to import product or how to import item without paying any tax. So let's get start this video. So in order to import product or in order to import item without paying any tax, number one thing you can do, that is you can import product from those countries which countries have free trade agreement with your country. So you can import product or item from those countries without paying any import tax. Number second thing you can do, that is you can set up your factory or you can set up your office in economic zone or in export processing zone to get exemption from import tariffs and taxes. Number third thing you can do, that is there are several types of items or products on which government does not impose any import taxes or tariffs. You can import those products without paying any tax or tariffs, but those products vary from country to country. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.